Okay.
You have to carry your own backpack. We're going for an adventure. What are we doing today?
Going on an adventure.
We're going fishing. We're going to Gaviota State Park. We're gonna go try a little beach fishing. It's June 1st already today, 2022.
Why do you think this is a dangerous
You don't want to
place?
walk out there, right? Even if you look both ways, because the cars are going too fast. Right?
Right.
And look at, if you go that way, there's train tracks. So you have to look both ways when you go on the train tracks too. Look at those big trucks going really fast. Whoa.
Even that one too.
Yeah, a big orange one. Okay, now what do we do when we come up to these train tracks?
Look both ways.
Look both ways? Okay, let's look both ways. Okay, it's all clear. No trains coming. Ooh, be careful. Look at the beach. There's different kinds of snakes too, you know. Some snakes will bite you and some snakes will. Most of them don't. So
Sometimes.
you just have to keep an eye out for them. We're on an adventure. Keep going. I see the beach. Lizard. Wow, look at, there's big telephone poles. Look at all these big telephone poles lined up on the beach here. Good job, Luca. I don't see too many people here. I don't see anybody.
Yeah. Are you ready to go fishing? Put it down.
Okay, put it through the eyes. Keep going. It's got to go through the biggest, yeah, you're doing it perfect. What's that? Whose rock is this?
Grandpa's rock.
Grandpa's rock.
But not Luca's rock.
Oh boy. Getting to the top of the rock, huh? What was that? Selfie.
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 Where are we?
At Las Carnero Beach.
On, what are we sitting on?
A rock.
Whose rock?
Grandpa's rock.
You're right. I'm winning.
I'm waiting.
I'm winning. Whoa! Whoa!
Get set. Go.
I'm winning. I'm winning. Oh! That's my hat.
My hat.
My hat. Come back here with my hat. Come back here with my hat. Wave, big wave, big wave, big wave. Whoa! Oh, there's my hat. What?
My hat.
Your hat what?
My hat.
Well, where's my hat?
Here.
What'd you do to
It's
my
wet.
hat?
Was fast. I made
Why is my hat all wet? Ah! You rascal. What do you think? Does it look good? Did I say you could eat one of those trees?
Here's all dirt. Yeah.
What? What is going on? What is going on? What are you doing? Did I say you could do that? Is it nice?
Yeah, but it's really warm.
Is it your tub? Are you just happy being there in that little bathtub? Okay, gotta find the way out. We're leaving the beach. It was a good day. What did you think of that beach? Did you like it? Wow. What was that? Horny toad? That was pretty cool. Now what are we gonna do here? Are we gonna be careful? What are you filming? The trucks? What did you think about that trip to the beach? Good.
Good.
Just good?
Yes, good.
What did I think about it?
Yeah.
I had a great time with you. Look, you're a lot of fun. I guess I tired him out today. We had a really good time.